Steve at Coastal Auto Restoration. Welcome back to carburetorsamore.com. Our phone number is 832-2214-007. Here we go. Haven't started it. Don't know nothing about it. So here we go. Pump is on. Fuel is going in. And fuel is still going in. And it stopped. Let's see if we have pump. No. Well, let's see what happens. Yep. Yeah, it needs to be fixed. It's not running right. And pump's not accelerating, and accelerator pump's not working. So, all right, we'll get her done for you. Next time you see it, it'll be looking good, running good, and ready to go. Thank you, folks, for sending your carburetor to us here at carburetorsamore.com. Our phone number is 832-221-4007.